Well, TikTok got me, and I bought this crazy shower head. And guess what? It does work better. But I don't have a way of mounting it in my shower. I have this magnetic mount, and I love it. But this shower head kind of sucks. I need an adapter to put this up there. Let's go design one. I designed this up in Fusion, picked what I thought was the best orientation, and sent it to the printer. And off it goes. It's done. Let's see if this works. Oh, so close. Get this to pop off clean. Look at that. I must have whoopsied there a little bit. But that's fine. For our little test piece here, this is fine. The magnet's glued in, but I didn't test fit this. Oh, okay, so I nailed that. Here's the moment of truth. It works. Need a little stronger magnet, but it still works. I'm going to reprint it with more walls and make it stronger. Here's version 4. I've went to a 30mm magnet, reduced the travel in here so it stays a little bit more put. So here's the final version. This is a 30mm magnet now. I reduced that opening so it doesn't rock back and forth as much, and I put an old school slot in it so if you want to remove the hose you could. And projects like this is why I am in 3D printing.